What's up mga kailaw? Welcome back to my channel. Alam ko medyo matagal na tayo hindi gaano nagkikita. I've doing some live stream, games. Pero yung marami nagtatanong sa akin, kailan ba yung balik ko ng pag-horror ko? Kailan ba ako babalik dun sa mga masasayang content ko? Kailan ba? Well, a couple of months, we're still trying to cope up, me and my wife. May mga pinagdadaanan po kami. You know, being a content creator, hindi lang ako nagde-deal sa lahat ng mga content na ginagawa ko. It's not about the shoot, it's not about the video, it's not about the content. And most of the time, I'm dealing with people. Meron po tayong mga nakikilalang mga tao sa buhay natin, and I always give my trust to them. Minsan yung sino pa yung napapagtiwalaan natin, yun yung pa yung nakakapag-down sa atin. But me and my wife, we prayed a lot, got good friends, we have good supporters, especially our family, my kids. As a person, may mga choice po tayo, and we choose to be happy. And that's why I'm doing this, the Not So Daily Vlog, para makasama ko kayo, mapasyal ko kayo, and makikita nyo rin kung paano kami nagbabanding ng pamilya ko. Pero ang tanong ba, sasama ka ba? Sasama ka? Tara, let's go. Ayos na tayo. Let's go. So gagala tayo ngayon dito sa SM Mega Mall. Ilang taon na rin ako hindi nakapunta dito at papasyon namin kayo sama ang pamilya E.
Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when we felt small.
Dito ang ganda.
Way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when
bagong
we
building
weren't
to guys. SM
alone.
Mega Mall is located here in EDSA. Ito tayo dito sa maliit na garden nila.
Going on. I can't keep track of them all. From people dropping
Sikreto ng
bombs
mga
to people
babae.
putting up walls. I feel like life is on hold. Perception stuck in a vault. I know that time can heal all, but how much time till we fall? It's awfully chilly outside when there's no shelter to hide. When everything is a lie, you'll find that out in some time. But when the things on your mind are all considered a crime, communication aside, we'll all just fight till we die. Is this an argument or just the start of it? Either way, I don't wanna be a part of it. Can I just get some space? I don't have the heart for this. I can't be picking up the pieces, fixing scars from this. Is this an argument or just the start of it?
Check namin yung ice skating dito, SM Skating. Take out. Ayun, ang haba ng pila sa ice skating. So, plan for today is, family bonding. But the kids want to try and, mag-experience ng ice skating. Anong feeling ng mag-skate ka sa yellow? So, usually these kids, they play rollerblades. Yes. Ice skate nga. Yun yung pila. Yeah. Pero, empty muna kami. Habang nakapila pa si Mami Tin, we're going to try the Chizu. Trinay namin yung cheesy bacon garlic, something like that. 165. Tapos yung Coke and kanila dito, mga chong, huwag kayo mabibigla because they're selling at the price of 65 pesos. Alright.
Nanalo na rin.
Let's go. Ayun guys, so dito na kami, nakapila na kami. 330 pala yung 2-hour pass. Ito po yung price ng ice skating with companion and with polar bear. Kung di kayo marunong mag-skate, yun yung hinahawakan nyo. Then locker is 50 pesos. Ayun po. Ayaw. Alas 5 pa naman, di ba? Love, dito tayo. So, alas 5 pa yung schedule namin. Kinuha namin yung 2-hour pass. Sinakto namin ng alas 5 para talagang masulit namin ang pag-skate namin. Guys, yan ulitin ko. 330 pag 2 hours po kayo, and adult o bata man. Tapos yung 499, yun yung unlimited afternoon. So, yun na yun. Uy, art gallery pwede tayo pumasok. So, dito tayo muna sa mga art gallery. Ang saya rito sa SM Mega Mall, tagal ko hindi nakapunta dito. Ang laki ng pinagbago. Ano sa tingin niyo? Ano yan?
Amis.
Abstract tawag dyan. Abstract. Tara. What is... Ganda dito to. Wow. Makikita mo yung ng picture pag malapit. Pero pag lumayo, kakawal sa ng image. Ang ganda.
Iced tea.
So, nandito kami sa Dulciana. Merienda lang po kami. Para sa merienda na masarap sa churros at cafe latte. Let's do some coffee and chocolate and whatever. Ano sa'yo, kuya?
Churros.
Churros rin. Ikaw?
Churros tapos orange juice.
Ikaw, love. Ako, ano lang.
Okay, sorry. Go.
Mukhang sobrang tamis yata yung mga in-order natin ngayon. Braso de Mercedes, churros.
This is what we call life. When we are together, we are happy.
Yung tapos na kami sa pagkain namin ng Sugar Rush. Babalik na po kami sa ice skating. Meron po kami mga kasamang family. Ayan, mga kasama namin si Jody, Dino. Ayan, shoutout sa Dino family. Ayan, magte-training siya. Magte-training sila ng ice skating. Tapos kami, magte-2 hour pass kami. And then, yun, bahala na, mag-enjoy lang po tayo. Safe. Harap. Ha? Ngayon si Jonas, oh. What's up, what's up? You know? Ito, nag-is... Pero iba lang yung preno. Oo. Ito muna ipipreno mo. Dito kayo, pag gano'n naman. Sa Jody.
Bishop, bigyan ka kayo.
Si Daniel, nag-i-free talaga, so. Go! Daniel! Go!
Si Tita. Tita.
Ayun, oh. Ayun, ako po, ayun.
Saan tayo?
Ito ka, go. Dinner na kami. Yay! We're back!
Ano nang gagawin?
Yan guys, balik po kami dito sa Gringos. Kung naalala nyo, nag-date kami ng misis ko. Ngayon kasama na namin si Daniel and Pia. Thank you.
Ito yung nasa ng napasunod.